Hi, I'm Dr. Debulina Ghosh, Assistant Professor of Sociology at Georgia Southwestern State University. Today I'll discuss the two levels of analysis sociologists use to explore social relationships. The first level of analysis is macro-sociology, which can also be referred to as wide-angle lens perspective, since it examines large-scale social structures to determine how they impact groups and individuals. Let's say, for example, we want to consider the topic of gender inequality in the workplace. In that case, we will come across various studies that discusses how the US labor market is segregated on the basis of sex. It means that men and women dominate different occupations, which in turn result in their different experiences at work. For example, sociologist Kristen Williams in her book, Gender Differences at Work, discusses the experiences of men and women in non-traditional occupations. Precisely speaking, she used ethnography and in-depth interviews to study the experiences of men in nursing and women in the Marines, and found that women Marines failed to advance in the workplace, which she referred to as experiencing the glass ceiling effect. Contrastingly, compared to women nurses, men nurses advance very fast in their profession, which can be observed in the structural advantages they tend to enjoy, such as higher salaries or leadership positions. Williams called this the glass escalator effect. Such cases reflect a macro approach to the topic of gender and power, where large-scale features of social structure, such as the patterns of occupational sex segregation, allow men to experience professional growth while limiting the career mobility of women. The second level of analysis is micro-sociology, which is also known as zoom lens perspective. It examines how small group interactions impact or denote larger social institutions, patterns, and processes. One great example is mansplaining, where men silence or interrupt women during conversations and take on the onus to explain something more clearly to women with the assumption that they don't know any better. So mansplaining basically denotes gender and power dynamics in male-female conversations. So in sum, a macro-level approach looks at large institutional patterns, and micro-level approach looks at small group and individual interactions. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it, and subscribe to the Sociology Professor channel.